friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Technical Devashish, Be Technical. Well guys, please subscribe my channel, please view my videos, please share my videos, please like my videos. Well guys, please share my videos so that my subscriber counts will be more, and I need subscriber as I told you in my earlier video also. So guys, today I bring with something new, and this particular video is dedicated to the IT professionals because today I am going to tell you something new which is not related to any movies. So guys, today I am going to discuss about Pega technology. Now what is Pega all about? The Pega is the company which is situated in US. This is the US based software company who are developing different types of software as well as application in BPM, which is called Business Process Management, and Customer Relationship Management and Digital Automation. So in today's world, if you see that more or less everything has been changed into digitalization, each and everything is going online, and this is quite easier for the people who are tech savvy because it makes our work so easy actually. Now the Pega is the company who are developing different type of softwares to the different companies, means their client, to give solution for customer relationship management as well as business process management. Well, this company incorporated in 1983, and they have huge number of clients as well as huge number of partners also. Now partners are those partners which are also working in same genre. I am talking about another IT companies like Hexaware, Cognizant, Wipro, Tata Consultancy. So they have a partnership with these companies. Through outsourcing, they are developing different type of applications and give business solution to their clients. Now what is business process management as well as digital automation? Now if I take example of our lockdown, then more or less each and everything went through online also. We pay our payments through online, we book our tickets through online, we order our foods through online. So while doing any online transaction, we use different type of applications of the different companies like Swiggy or Zomato, or if we pay any premium of insurance, then we go through customer portal of any insurance company. On the other hand, if we pay any bills online, then maybe we are going through the customer portal of banks also. So while doing this, we goes through different type of application of bank, insurance company as well as food companies who are providing online food item to us. Now who makes this application for us? These all applications are architected and designed by company like Pega. They makes our life very easy, and so we can do all these things through online, and we no need to go physically in order to do our payments or taking any food from any food counter. Now this is the main business of the company like Pega, who develop software and applications for the different type of company who deal with finance, who deal with foods, who deal with insurance on banking sectors, and this is literally very useful. Now it comes down to the professional line. So those guys who are Pega certified, actually those guys who have a good knowledge and good training of Pega, they have very booming career in IT industry, because Pega is very much demanding in market. Each and every company are turned into digital automation, because in today's world, if you see the scenario, then digital automation is the only the way to make your business in a smooth way and without any hesitation and hassle free in best possible manner. So guys, this particular company give best software and best applications to the companies which are providing to their clients, which makes their transaction very easy. So those professionals who are well certified in Pega, they have very good career in future in IT industry, because Pega certifies huge demand in IT industries now. So I am requesting all the IT professionals, those who does not know about Pega, please read this and view this video very carefully, and go through different types of video which are available in Pega in YouTube also. In fact, this particular Pega courses are available in online also, so you can go through online training also. Those IT professionals who are good in Java, they can easily study this particular software, because it helps you out, because you can take Java as a bit platform which makes you learn easier this particular application, this particular software actually. So more or less you can say that this is the big competitor of SAP and Oracle, because in earlier we used and we know only SAP and Oracle in IT industry relates to CRM and BPM projects. But right now, the Pega is the big market holder, and they are doing literally well and giving very good application to different types of company in different sectors. So I am going to end this video now, and I hope you like my video very much. As I told you earlier, that this particular video for all the IT professionals who are working now, and I am just giving this video and motivate all the IT professional to study, to learn Pega, so that it will enhance your knowledge, and it helps you out to accomplish and explore your career in more broader, in best possible manner. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, please view my videos, please share my videos, and please share it, because I need to share video, because if more people will see my video, then the subscriber count will be increases gradually. Thank you very much.